Friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Bowling Green, Ohio
Welcome to
edition.
the Thrift Flip Road Trip. Today we're driving into an exciting open challenge brought to you by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and our special guest host, Jody at Southern Seasons. Watch as talented creators transform forgotten treasures into something extraordinary. And here's the best part. We're giving away fabulous prizes to 5 lucky winners. Prizes include a Dremel rotary toolkit from Homeridge Studio, a micro sander and a pair of miter snips from Happiness Created, a $25 Amazon gift card from Farmhouse Frugally, and 2 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins. To enter, just watch the September Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. You must comment on every video to be eligible to win. Mark your calendar for September 28th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. I'm sorry, due to shipping costs, the giveaway is only open to U.S. residents. Don't miss out on this chance to win, and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
Actually, when I went to the Goodwill and Bowling Green, there was a whole end cap of these. So I picked some up because I have some ideas on how we can repurpose them. First, I'm taking these strings off because you can't paint with these strings in there. Well, they really want it to stay. And I'm going to start out by base painting these with my favorite paint. I have this mixed at Home Depot, and it's a brown color. You can use this as stain, you can use it as paint. It's great for when you are trying to make something rustic or look like rust. Or just make it look like a really nice brown. I'm going to just base paint both of these brown. This is a color that I get a sample at Home Depot for. It's probably been a year since I got that sample, but it's my go-to when I want to, especially for the fall. My go-to brown for making stuff look old and rustic. It's just my go-to for the fall brown. Keep wanting to cover the one spot, and it's the hole where I took the string. Gonna start out. And this will need more than one coat. And the second one is going to be like I said, this is going to probably take 3 coats. Okay, this is coat number 2. As you can see how nice this is filling out. And I just make it by 1, 2 semicolons, and then 3. And then over here a 4th. That's how I make my pumpkins. As you can see, it's going to take another coat just to fill in the color. Okay, let's add our peduncle here on our pumpkin. Then I'm going to do a little vine down. Then I'm going to do another vine going across. And I'm going to add another vine there. You can do some little leaves. I'm gonna just add a few little leaves here and there. Little marks. In our pumpkin. Okay, now we're going to add some little berries. Whoop. berries these are, who knows? These are Melissa's made up berries. Okay, this is the second coat, and we're gonna do the same thing. Semicolon, 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 and then another semicolon. As you can see, it's gonna need about 3 coats. And then you can straighten out the top. Try to make it kind of like a heart shape at the top. But this is going to be a pumpkin stack, so I guess the top doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little vine. Orange is still wet, even though I did use my blow dryer. But I'm gonna add some. I'm impatient, okay, guys? I'm gonna add some highlights. Bella's here helping me. And then I'm gonna add some of those made up berries again. You could add red berries too if you like. I don't know why I want to do orange berries. If you know a plant that has orange berries, that's what this is. If not, it's my own made up berries. I don't know of one that has orange berries. Probably some crazy poisonous plant, I don't know. time to add these marks in the white pumpkin. I'm trying to make just free flowy semicolons. I got one little place I might just take some white and cover it up a little bit. Okay, here is our two thrift flips. I repainted these. I think they're bottle cap. They're called bottle caps. And I did it in the fall and in pumpkins. Which one's your favorite?